Hey, what's up everybody? It's Bobby and welcome to another video. Today I will be working on my Lexus. I have a car show 1 week from today, so I've got a couple projects that I'm going to try to attempt to finish. The first one is going to be a VIP table for the rear. Then the next one I'll be working on is the Rolls-Royce lights for the headliner here. And I have another project that hopefully I will be able to finish, but stay tuned for that one. I won't be showing the process of everything that I do since there are other videos out there already, but stay tuned and I'll give you guys some clips of what I am doing. Alright, so I got the headliner down now. It wasn't too bad. I just watched some tutorial videos from other 3IS owners. I will leave those tutorials in the description, but yep, I got the headliner down and I'll go ahead and get started on, I guess, poking the holes and try to get this thing finished as soon as possible. Alright, so I've been working on it for about an hour now, and this is what I got so far. I've got a lot of holes poked, and then I got the lights feeding through the holes, and pretty soon I will start gluing them down. And I'm not sure if I will be able to finish today, but it's going pretty good so far. I will check back in a bit. I am almost finished. I probably have about maybe 20-30 more strings left, but I got it all going to the back and to the front here. So yep, almost done. It's not too bad, but it's just a long process. So yep, let's see how it looks like. Alright, so I got all the lights punched through and everything has been hot glue gunned in. I'm going to have the power box hidden right here and connect this through the C-pillar. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to run the power lines down here and across. I'm just not really sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I ordered an extension, so I have about 10 feet to work with. So I'll see how it goes, just trying to make it nice and clean. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far, and hopefully I finish it today. If not, then it'll be probably a project for tomorrow as well. Alright, the headliner is back in. I got the power box tucked in right over there, and just gotta go ahead and just snip these short and put everything back together. Hey guys, it is the next day and I am almost finished. I just gotta get all these cut and get everything all back together. So I'll show you guys the final product here in a bit. I just finished everything, got the power cable all tucked in. So let's go ahead and turn it on and let's see how it looks. Looks pretty nice. I got some coming up front here too. yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think, and stay tuned for part 2, where I will be working on a little VIP little armrest table for the back. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you guys think about this project that I just got finished with. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.